Who's the fastest one out of these two? Got these cars pulling in. Damn, the compressor with the welds in the back.
I went to the window today.
And he came up to my window and he was like, "Hey."
Oh, you're the YouTuber, right?
Yeah, Jules.
Oh, Jules.
Yeah.
Bro, you're iconic, dog. I had a GTI crash it.
Oh, yeah?
And
Oh, shit.
Bro.
Oh.
I just followed you on Insta. I heard your voice, bro. I was like, I knew that's good, bro. That's
shit.
iconic.
It's real sick. Check it out. Bro, got it all polished. Damn.
Built block, RA, just pistons, rods, bearings on a 3582R.
Dude, this is one of the cleanest STIs I have seen. How long have you had it for?
I've had it now for
4 years?
Yeah.
It was 2015?
2020.
Got the boost gauge.
No?
That's dope, bro. So I used to have an FG2 before that, GTI 2. So
oh, really?
Yeah.
So
I miss these cars,
with
man.
the platform.
Yeah, I'm familiar. So you're still like on the stock block too, or what?
Yeah, right now stock block.
Okay.
Stock block, stock trans, just full time, full E, little turbo.
All right, that's what's up, man. For the content. That's crazy. Yep. Well, I like it. I like the color though.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
Yeah. What is that? Like a charcoal? Or what is that?
So it's actually called anthracite.
Yeah.
It's like the darkest coal possible. Like black.
Yeah.
Look at the.
Are you on the same setup as last time?
Exactly. I ain't changed.
Oh yeah. I forgot what it was. It was a hybrid, right?
Yeah, I'm running the Franklin Turbo. Yeah. It's
Sneaky tune?
No, 5150.
Hasn't changed it.
Damn.
Bro, it's been the same for like the last.
No retune, no nothing.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
DSG, right?
Yep. No bottom.
So who's the faster one out of these two? Oh yeah. Yeah. That's dope though. So you got the which one is it? The
RX 550.
What's up guys, this is Jewel City. If you made it this far, I appreciate you so much. What you saw was just one night's worth of footage. We've got a few other nights coming up, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. You're gonna wanna see the upcoming videos, the upcoming runs with the next cars we got lined up here. Man, it's been a lot of fun with this car. This is of course the EQT Vortex XL we got underneath the hood. It's on full 85. We got the RPF 1 wheels all around. I do miss my 18-inch wheels, those Koenigs that I had before, so I might throw those back on, but for the moment, for the time being, we are rocking the 17-inch RPF 1s for now. But yeah, I miss my 18s, man. I miss them, so we might put those back on. But yeah, like I said, I appreciate you for making it this far in the video. If you did enjoy it at any moment in time, please make sure to give it a like. It helps the channel grow. Hope to catch you on the next one, guys. Oh, and let me know which one was your favorite run in this entire video, or what type of cars do you like to see this GTI go up against the most. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. I'm curious to see what type of answers we've get. I know in the last Roll Night video, a lot of people were saying that they wanted to see BMW races. Well, this one had a lot more BMWs in there, so I'm trying to get that variety out for you guys. And yeah, 6-speed for the win. I love this car for what it is. Definitely a sleeper, and yeah, hope to catch you on the next one. Peace.